Finally, Funani and Ria kissed while Faith and Isaac are left in the cold. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 26th to the 30th of December 2022 on Monday. On now find yourself with the conflicting Christmas plans while Senzo has a showdown with his mother that turns ugly on Tuesday. In the spirit of Christmas, Funani pulls the two families together while Isaac and Faith find themselves left out in the cold on Wednesday. Senzo inquires about Funani and Ria's relationship while Nkosi feels responsible for Shoki being alone during the holidays on Thursday. Shoki's ad finally airs on television and she gets an unexpected visitor. Meanwhile, Ria finds herself dealing with some unexpected feelings on Friday. Shoki and Nomsa have a much needed showdown while Zanele receive a package from a mysterious sender. Well guys, this is all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. In that note, happy new year. Bye.